Well, that was not fun. Um, I literally got ran off the road by a semi this morning. Just now. Just now. Got ran over. Like, I could not, I couldn't get over anywhere. I was on the side of the road. I was on the side of the road because a big damn semi, couldn't bother to get in the other lane so I could get on the highway. Wasn't that nice? Wasn't that nice? And then, as if that wasn't enough, nobody would let me over in the left lane. I'm lucky I got here this morning alive because not only can I not see because of the damn rain, I had headlights all up in. I couldn't see. And, yeah. Happy fucking Tuesday.